Okay, we back. We got the floor done. They got some teardrop fenders they want to put on here. I don't know if y'all remember the old girl. She's still looking good. We got some teardrop fenders to put on. And we also got some stabilizing jacks to put on. And we're gonna get this old thing up out of here, man. They trying to start a barbecue business. Oh yeah, we got the custom mailboxes. Heavy duty. Still working on that over there. It's coming along. Y'all stay tuned. Hope everybody having a blessed day. Don't forget to tell somebody you love them.